Hey, what's good YouTube? Instructify here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can make your text move in CapCut. So the first thing you want to make sure is you have your clip ready like this. After that, you want to go to the text tab and then you want to select default text. After that, you want to type anything. So let's say I type Instructify. After that, what you want to do is scroll down and click on keyframe for position. Now, if you move the text from here to here for this frame and drag your keyframe to right here and then move your text right to this corner, you can see that your text will move with it. So if this video helps you guys out, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you guys need any more help.